Welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. Now, if you've been keeping up with our social media channels, you will have seen that we have posted a giveaway for a Kandao Qoocam 3, which is a 360-degree action camera made by the guys over at Kandao. Now, we were fortunate enough for them to send out a couple of these units to try out. So one of these we've been testing out through a number of test drive videos just to get some nice 4K 360-degree footage to include within our YouTube videos. And the other one of these is safely all packaged up, ready to be sent out to one of you guys who wins this giveaway. Now, the winner of the giveaway will be announced in this video at some point, so make sure you watch till the end of the video to see if you are the lucky winner. Now let's take a quick look at what's up for grabs. Right, so here we have the unveiling of what is up for grabs within this giveaway. Now, greeted in front of you, you can see the camera itself. This isn't the one which is in the giveaway, don't worry, it's still in its packaging waiting for you guys to open it up. Let's take a quick look at this camera. I'll show you the user interface on the camera itself, so whoever wins the camera has an easy job operating it, put it that way. So here we have the camera itself. It's got 360 degrees, as you can see, me in the lens right there. And you've got different shooting options on here. So you've got 4K 60, 4K 30 and 5.7K 30. Now on here you've got all of your manual exposure options as well, your white balance and a pro color mode, which I've actually found boosts the resolution. It was added in a most recent update on the camera itself, so I spoke to the guys over at Kandao and they said that if you use that specific colour mode, it does actually make the resolution better, so keep that one in mind. Now, the actual camera module itself, so obviously you've got a lens here and a lens here, microphone there, there, and two on there. And obviously you've got your record button and your on and mode button on here, so you can choose between imagery, 62 megapixel photos, and of course your 5.7K 30 frame video. Now on the side flap here you've got obviously your camera battery, which is removable, and you've also got your micro SD card, which just slots into here like so. So without further ado, let's get into the box itself. So as you can see, we've got the Kandao logo on the top here and some nice branding throughout the box, but that's not the important part. Let's get inside. Lovely safe bit of packaging here. Remove this little cardboard sleeve. So first of all, we're greeted with a 64GB micro SD card. So as soon as you receive the camera, this can go straight inside and then you can get to shooting. Let's put that aside. Of course, we have the camera itself. It wouldn't be much of a camera giveaway without this important part. It comes with a spare battery too. So when you're on your little journeys out, you don't have to worry about the camera losing battery too much because you can have the secondary battery to be charged. And finally, we have a telescopic selfie stick, which can be used to mount the camera on many different things with standard GoPro mounts as well as Kandao's mounts, which they sell themselves. So let's just take a quick look over that again. We've got your camera module with a spare battery, your SD card, and of course your telescopic selfie stick, which, may I add, is also invisible in footage. So the camera itself obviously has its 360 degrees. If you was to hold the camera, say how I'm holding it now, it would obviously pick up your hand holding the camera. So when you have the selfie stick attached to the bottom of the camera itself, it actually automatically edits out the selfie stick in the filming, which is interesting because what we have found when we've mounted the camera on the roll bar of some of our cars is that it does it so seamlessly, it looks like the camera is literally just floating above the car, which makes for quite a good viewing experience, but when you're the person that mounted the camera, it is slightly confusing. Anyway, that's enough talk about the product. I think it's about time we get into the giveaway winner. Right, so I've got my trusty little spinny wheel thing with everyone's name that is entered the giveaway and completed all of the steps. I do believe, although there is going to be a second round, so to speak, just to double check that everyone has done all the steps. So if I pick your name and you've not done all the steps of the giveaway, unfortunately you are not the winner and I will spin again. Right, so first of all we're going to do a test spin just to make sure this all works fine, okay? So just to clarify, whoever this lands on is not the winner. Right, we are spinning, and the winner of our test spin, so doesn't win, is kitcar_build over on Instagram. Right, I think it's about time we get into the real spin to see who wins the giveaway for the Kandao Qoocam 3. So without further ado, let's spin the wheel. And we're spinning. Who is it going to be? Who is taking this thing home? And our winner is Fury_Road_Challenger over on Instagram. So I will get in contact with you personally through the MK Sportscars account, and we will organise getting your camera shipped over to you. Now I want to say a massive thank you to Kandao for sending us over these products. We've really enjoyed trying them out, and you're still going to be seeing footage from the Qoocam 3 within our test drive videos, because the footage that it does create is absolutely outstanding. And for the price in compared to some of the other names within the market, you really can't go wrong, because they are £300 to £400 cheaper than some of the competitors within the market. So I definitely would recommend this product, and we hope Fury Road Challenger enjoys it and uses it for what it's made for. So I want to say a massive thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and we will catch you next time.
Fury Road Challenger.